tears of the north, in memory of Tyr, Gile, Thoan, and the fallen heroes. The earth weeps, the sky sighs, for warriors fallen, for last goodbyes. A mighty tree has met the ground, yet in our hearts its roots are found. Tears fallen like rivers, deep and wide. Hearts are heavy, wounded inside. Gile, Thoan, your name we cry, gone too soon, yet never goodbye. The pain is sharp, the lost run deep. In shattered hearts, our sorrows skip. But though you rest beyond our sight, your spirit glows an endless light. Oh, sorrow deep, oh, wounds that are ache, but warrior strength will never break. It's fire, the river flows, the dawn will rise. Through tear-stained cheeks, hope never dies. To those who heal, to those who mourn, know what? Love is never torn, bond in blood, in name, in songs. We stand together, proud and strong. May peace embrace each grieving soul. May memories shine and match us all. For though the night is dark with pain, your legacy will always remain. By Ruth Nyalel Jemiskai, a daughter of the land, aka Nyiman.